the impact of 12 thermobaric shells of the Russian TOS-1A Solntsepyok in 8 seconds was caught on video. The Russian military, when storming the positions of the armed forces of Ukraine, actively uses heavy flamethrower systems TOS-1A Solntsepyok, which provide truly incredible firepower. On video footage made by units of the Allied forces, you can see how the Russian TOS-1A Solntsepyok literally in 8 seconds inflicts 12 strikes in a row on the positions of the armed forces of Ukraine using thermobaric ammunition. Video footage, allegedly taken in June of this year, however, they capture the overwhelming power of Russian weapons. It is known that during the advance of the Allied forces, there was a problem with taking control of one of the fortified areas of the Ukrainian military. However, thanks to the use of a heavy flamethrower system, the resistance of the Ukrainian military was almost instantly reversed, which, by the way, can be fully assessed from the video footage presented. Heavy multiple launch rocket systems TOS-1A Solntsepyok were able to successfully prove themselves in the framework of the ongoing special military operation.